Alrighty, welcome back to Weenie Trades. I'm going to be giving a quick technical update on Aapl. Apparently, Apple's going to be working on a new electric vehicle, the Icar. Coming out in 2024, definitely a ways away, but I like to trade it if there's a technical catalyst and we're approaching near the all-time highs and we're starting to break out and you get a news like that. It's 2020, so if you hear the words new electric vehicle, it's probably a good idea to go long, and it does not favor the shorts, that's for sure. And just think about NIO, Tesla. 2020 has been the year for electric vehicles, and if Apple's announcing news like that, it's probably going to have a pretty good rally. So when you get all those factors combined, I like to put on a little bit of size, and so we are riding Aapl with some calls, call spreads, naked calls. We're selling puts, so we're selling the 128 put, buying the 127 put to protect, and we grabbed 20 shares at 127.56. I'm looking for Aapl to hit all-time highs, maybe not by the end of the week, but maybe by the end of the year because of this news catalyst. So really good momentum, really good push, and Apple's fine as long as it's closing hourly above 130 to break those all-time highs. So that was kind of the Aapl update. Let's keep with the trend and see where Aapl can head up. But it was a little bit of a rough day trading today, just a little bit over minus $550 today, but that's okay. I mean, I stuck to my stops. We traded Peloton and Square, and those were our two biggest expense trades. And I wouldn't really change anything different. There's Peloton ripping after hours. But in the morning, Peloton was ripping up. Boom, I caught this nice good dip as it was starting to push up. So I'm long two contracts right at about here, 143 area. Got a nice good push up to 144.50, but not enough to cover the risk. I wanted to kind of tag out, but oh well. Wanted to take a partial, but we had to stop out. So as we're starting to dip down and started to push up, I'm long. And once we started to break down support, that's when I had to stop out. And I stopped out on Peloton just underneath 142. And that was an annoying expense trade on Peloton of minus $213. Similar to that, SQ was dipping back into the 240 level. So we had a nice good move up and then pull back into the 240 level. I went ahead and went long Square, and Square unfortunately didn't give me the partial, and I had to stop out of Square at 237. And Square is a little annoying expense rate, minus 250. That's okay. Last week we had $2,000 days. So, days like these where, I'm taking the regular size and option contracts and deltas that I need, that's the way it goes. But super exciting. Aapl definitely made the Monday fun, and let's get ready to trade the rest of the week and just manage those positions. Still trying to keep it light on the positions because we're coming into the end of the year. Some of the moves might have a little bit more fake outs than usual, so we got to definitely be on our toes. So hopefully you learned how to kind of trade a breaking news trade. If you can catch it nice and early at the end of the day when nobody's paying attention, that's where you can get some really good entries on some shares, call spreads, selling put spreads, whatever it may be. I'm going to do 3 ways to show the different P&Ls that we're going to get from Aapl by doing the call spread, selling the put spread, a naked call, and 20 shares. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. See ya.